Yes, P-Star, Nobelistas, you are. This one's for my best friend, Alvin, bro. Miss you. Bro, are you there? Where are you now? I got your drink here, you need to come down. I've been waiting for years, I'll wait till it's gone. Whoever knew that I could write him a song? Bro, are you there? Where are you now? I got your drink here, you need to come down. I've been waiting for years, I'll wait till it's gone. Whoever knew that I could write him a song? How can I start this? Maybe I should start it from that day that he departed. Yeah, left me broken hearted, so I traveled across the world, back to England making profits. I've been hustling, I've been working, changing nothing into something. They can't understand the hustles through the struggles I was given time ago. Until this very day my heart's cold. I lost everything, my family broke and we got broke. People hungry for the money, they can't see that time is gold. I was like that before, see I took everything for granted, but you always had my back, man, and you'd always make me happy. You knew all of my sins, we kept it real thick and thin. We were too high to care about the shit that we were in. I know, I joke, bro, when you quit and got depression, but you need to quit this shit now, cause this shit has got me stressing. I had suicide thoughts, if Rena were there I might be tripping. Shit, but we'd be chilling over there. Bro, are you there? Where are you now? I got your drink here, you need to come down. I've been waiting for years, I'll wait till it's gone. Whoever knew that I could write him a song? Bro, are you there? Where are you now? I got your drink here, you need to come down. I've been waiting for years, I'll wait till it's gone. Whoever knew that I could write him a song? Until we meet again, bro, I'm just trying to live my life. I'ma make up for all of those years that weren't right. You warned me, I ignored you. I'm sorry, bro, I just wish that you were here to see me. Now I'm on it, yo, I'm taking steps in this world. Look at me, I'm married now. If you saw Kaden at the wedding, I know you'd be proud. And Shara too, she's doing fine. Lewis, man, he's been there twice. Jason, Mama, Bridget, and your dad, they are so kind. Put my life on rewind, let's relive them good times. Summer holiday, rock, bring that shit, cause we gon' fly high. So high, we gon' touch sky. Giggling as we roll by the city of the angels, but it's different when it's night time. Now I got this angel and he's keeping me from trouble. When I'm down, he lifts me up and tells me keep up with my hustle. Gave me pieces to the puzzle, gotta put it together now. But days like these, bro, I had to get this letter out. Clouds, they can rain down, but still won't wash the pain out. Still can't put your flame out, and there's so much I could say now. Confused by the layout of the life that I was given. If you're listening, give me answers, maybe that'll strengthen my vision. Every day I look for wisdom, I need them to keep loving me. I'm not where I wanna be, but someday I am gonna be. One day we are gonna see that all of this was meant to be. I just need the key to the door, it's there in front of me. Bro, are you there? Where are you now? I got your drink here, you need to come down.